Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful sunset painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this paint. These are the colors we are going to use in this painting. Now in the first step I am going to paint the background. So in this painting the background is sky and a lake that reflects the sky. So I decided to paint a very vibrant sunset. So I choose this beautiful color. I begin with this blue and I think this blue is really cool and it plays a major role in our painting. But in the middle of this canvas we need a light shade of blue, so I mix the color white to it to have this light shade of blue. So we need more light shade of blue, so I'm going to mix more white to it to have a very light shade of blue. And I'm going to blend all the colors here very smoothly to have a beautiful transition of colors. Now I'm going to add the color orange, and here I mixed more white to this orange. Now I'm going to add the color yellow. So as it is a sunset painting, we need more colors like yellow and orange. So here I apply the color yellow. So now I am going to add orange to it, and here you can see I am blending these two colors. So these colors are really perfect for a beautiful sunset. So I am going to blend all the colors to have a beautiful sunset sky. So our sky is ready. Now we are going to paint the lake that reflects the colors in the sky. So we are going to use the same colors here. So we are going to repeat the same color. So we need the color orange, yellow here. Whenever you are painting a sunset scenery or sunrise scenery, always choose the colors from the warm family that makes the painting more beautiful and it gives a vibrant and fresh look. I have given all the art material links in my description, so if you want to check, you can check all the links in my description. If you are following me for a long time, you might know that I paint the suggestions of my followers. So if you want something to paint, you can leave that in the comment section so I can read and I will paint that one. This painting idea was also suggested by one of my followers. They asked me to paint a beautiful sunset painting, so I made this painting especially for beginners with the easy and simple tricks. And let me know in the comment section if the tutorial is really helpful to you. Now in the second step we are going to paint the trees on the other side of the lake. So here I choose the color burnt umber. So here I am using my fan brush. I am going to paint the trees there. If you don't have a fan brush, you can use your regular flat brush. Now let's paint some details on the trees in red color. So here I am using my detailing brush and I am going to add some details here. Adding this red detail makes our painting like the sunset is really very vibrant. Now it's time to paint the ground. So here you can see I am using the color green and I am going to paint the ground first. Once we finish this, I am going to paint the tree. To paint the trunk of the tree, we need a round brush. So here I am using my round brush. So I use a large round brush and I am going to use a mini size round brush for the size of the trunk. So if you are painting a mini trunk, it is really easy to use your detailing brush. So here you can see I am painting all the tiny branches using the detailing brush. Now let's paint the leaves. So here I use the same fan brush and I'm going to use the color burn umber here. So I didn't use the color black to paint the tree or the leaves. I use the color burn umber, so it makes the painting more realistic and very beautiful. And you can see I am not blocking the entire area here. I just leave some space between these areas. So this makes the painting more realistic. So use your flat brush if you don't have a fan brush. So now you can see I'm going to use the color red in this area. In the final step, we are adding some details in the land. So now I am going to paint some grass. So first I use my fan brush here. I am just blocking some area here. Once I finish this, I am going to use my detailing brush to paint the long and sweeping lines. It actually took me a lot of time to finish all the grass in this painting. So when you are painting this, please take some time and finish the painting. Don't hurry to finish this painting. If you're new to my channel, I am Roxana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Now back to the painting. I am using my fan brush to create the texture for the grass. So here I am using my fan brush, and now I am going to add some light values in particular area. So here I am adding the light value. I use the monastal green color for the light value. So now this is the final look of our painting. Please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting, and I will be really happy to read all your message and comments, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.